Have you ever felt the beauty of uncertainty, the power of embracing the unknown? Today, we are talking about a fascinating idea from one of the greatest poets in English literature, John Keats. It is called negative capability, and it might just change the way you see the world. John Keats, a romantic poet of the early 19th century, introduced the term negative capability in a letter to his brother in 1817. He described it as the ability to live with uncertainty, mystery, and doubt without reaching for facts or reasons. For Keats, this was the mark of a truly creative mind. Think about it. How often do we rush to find answers, to solve every problem, to explain every mystery? Keats believed that true artistry comes from sitting with the unknown, letting it inspire us rather than trying to control it. Negative capability is not just about poetry, it is a way of thinking that applies to all forms of creativity and even to life itself. It is about being comfortable with ambiguity, with the idea that not everything has to be resolved or understood. Keats believed that the greatest artists, like Shakespeare, were masters of negative capability. They did not force their own opinions or judgment onto their work. Instead, they let the work speak through them in all its complexities and contradictions. In Ode to Nightingale, Keats captures this perfectly. He doesn't try to explain the bird's song or its meaning, he simply lets it exist in all its beauty and mystery. He writes, "The wasn't not born for death, immortal bird, no hungry generation tread thee down. The voice I hear this passing night was heard in ancient days by emperor and clown." Here, Keats is not seeking answers. He is embracing the timeless, unknowable nature of the nightingale's song. So, how can we apply negative capability to our own lives? Maybe it is about learning to sit with discomfort, to accept that not everything has a clear answer, to find beauty in the unresolved. In a world that often demands certainty, negative capability reminds us to pause, to listen, to let the mastery of life inspire us rather than frustrate us. Next time you are faced with uncertainty, remember Keats. Embrace the unknown, let it spark your creativity, and who knows, you might just discover something beautiful in the process. What do you think about negative capability? Share your thought in the comments below.